Hi, everyone, and thank you for being here today with us. Our topic is the role of artificial intelligence in diagnosis and treating heart diseases. I'm Elham, and this is Shiva, my partner. We choose the topic because heart disease is still the number one causes of death globally, and we believe that AI is bringing new hope to this field. In today's presentation, we'll explore how AI is not just a futuristic idea, it's something that's already making a real impact in cardiology. We'll explain the basic of AI, talk about how it works in healthcare, and show example of how it's used to detect and treat heart conditions. Artificial intelligence is transforming healthcare, not just in theory, but in real hospitals and clinics today. It helps doctors make quicker and more accurate decisions by analyzing large amount of medical data that would take humans much longer to go through. For example, AI can look at thousands of cases and recognize early signs of diseases. This leads to faster diagnosis, better treatment decisions, and ultimately better patient outcome. In this presentation, we're focusing on heart disease because it's such a critical area where every minute matters and where AI has already made a big differences. What is artificial intelligence exactly? AI is a type of computer technology designed to perform tasks that normally require human intelligence as well, like learning, reasoning, or solving problem. There are three main types of AI. The first one is narrow AI. This is what we use now in healthcare. It focuses on one specific task, like analyzing EKG results. The second one is general AI. This would be like a human brain in a computer. It can learn and do many tasks, and it doesn't actually exist yet. And the third one is super AI. This would be smarter. This would be smarter than human, and it's still science fiction, but it's often talked about in research. Narrow AI is the most useful. It's trained using machine learning, where the system learns by being fed data, such as thousands of heart scans, and learns to find patterns that can indicate diseases. This allows AI to make predictions or help doctors identify problems faster than ever before. Actually, heart diseases is a term that includes a variety of problems with the heart and the blood vessels. And the most common types are coronary artery diseases, where arteries that supplies blood to the heart become narrowed and blocked. The next one is heart attacks that caused when blood flow to the heart is suddenly cut off, and heart failure when the heart cannot pump blood effectively. And what makes heart diseases especially dangerous is that the symptoms are sometimes vague or even absent. For example, some people may only feel mild discomfort, and by the time they realize something is wrong, it could be too late. And that's why early diagnosis is so important, and where AI becomes an incredibly useful tool. AI also helps doctor by analyzing medical images and data quickly and accurately. For example, it can scan EKGs to find irregular heart rhythm, even one that a human might miss. And it can also look at CT scans or MRIs to find early signs of blocked arteries or heart enlargement. One real-world example is from a study by Muzamili et al. In 2024, where AI was used to enhance EKG analysis, and it helped doctors detect heart conditions earlier and more accurately. Another benefit is that AI never gets tired or distracted, so it reduces the chance of human error, especially in busy hospital.
Hello everyone. Here we are going to talk about role of AI in treating heart diseases. Once a heart problem is diagnosed, AI continue to help in the treatment process. One way is through robot assisted surgeries where AI powered robots help surgeons perform very precise movement. This reduces complications and help patients heal faster. Another use is in predicting possible complications after treatment. AI can analyze the patient's data and suggest preventive measure or adjustments in treatment. It also helps doctors choose personalized medications by analyzing how a specific person's body might respond to certain drugs. This is called precision medicine. And finally, AI can monitor the patient's progress and help adjust treatment as needed in real time. Uh, Second, we are going to talk about benefits of AI in cardiology. Let's talk about some of the key benefits, like faster diagnosis. AI can process medical data almost instantly so patients can get care faster. Higher accuracy. By finding patterns in data, AI often spot issues that might go unnoticed by humans. Less work for doctors. By handling time-consuming tasks, AI lets doctor focus on patient's care. Early detection. AI can even detect risk factors before symptoms appear. For example, it might detect small changes in heart rhythm that suggest a problem years before a heart attack might occur. This means that patients can get earlier intervention, which improves survival rates and quality of time. Next, challenges and limitations. Of course, there are challenges like costs. These systems are expensive to develop and maintain. Data requirements. AI needs large amount of high quality data to learn properly. Bias. If the data has bias, for example, if most of it comes from one gender or race, the AI result might be unfair or inaccurate for others. Ethical concerns. Who is responsible if AI makes a mistake? Who do we protect patients' privacy? And most importantly, AI is not perfect. It should support doctors, not place them. Human judgment is still essential, especially in complex or emotional cases. And next feature of AI in cardiology. The future of AI in cardiology is full of possibility. For example, wearable devices like the Apple Watch and Fitbit are already using AI to monitor heart rate, detect arrhythmias, and alert users if something seems off. In the near future, these devices may become even smarter, detecting heart diseases earlier and even suggesting lifestyle change in real time. AI will also continue to improve through deep learning, which means it gets better over time as it learns from more data. But the best results will come from partnership between AI and healthcare professionals working together to provide the best possible care. And to sum up, AI is already changing the way we approach heart health. It makes diagnosis and treatment faster, more accurate, and more personalized. But AI isn't here to take over, it's here to help. With continued research and careful use, AI can help reduce the impact of heart disease around the world and save more lives. Thank you so much, everyone, for listening.
Thank you very much for being with us today. This is our references, and I hope you enjoyed our presentation. Thank you very much, Shiva.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.